Hey, my name is Marco. I'm a guide for Rest Adventures, and right now during this video I will give you a brief overview of our communist store here in Tallinn. And one of our first stops is Cinema Sõprus, that is right behind me here. And this building was built in 1953, and it was one of the first buildings that was built here after the war, when the city was bombed here during the March bombings in 1944. And the next stop after this is going to be the Russian embassy. So the second stop is the Russian embassy. That was their embassy already in the 1930s, and during the Soviet times this was the internal ministry office, and is one of the biggest embassies here in Estonia, and specifically here in the old town. So it's 3 different houses: 1, 2 and 3. All of the windows that are tainted where you can't see through, that's the Russian embassy. Next up is the KGB Headquarters, that is down this road, going in the direction of the harbor. So now we're on our third stop, the KGB Headquarters, that is right behind me, and it was used as the KGB Headquarters during the Soviet times. Right now you have luxury apartments here, and in the cellar you have a small museum where you can see the KGB prison cells. And from here we're going to go outside of the old town to the harbor area, where we have one of the most unique buildings in Tallinn, the City Hall, and part of Christopher Nolan's movie Tenet was filmed in the City Hall. So our last stop on the tour is the City Hall. Right now we're on the roof of the City Hall that was built for the 1980 Moscow Olympics. And inside this building you have a concert hall and an ice rink. And it was used by Christopher Nolan during the filming of his movie Tenet. And in the movie this was the National Opera in Kiev, Ukraine, but actually here in Tallinn. And thank you for joining with me on this short glimpse of our communist tour. If you want to get the full experience, we are expecting you to come here to Tallinn, and links are down below in the description. Thank you. Räägin siin ära, teed ühe selle, näitad seda maja ja siis liigume edasi kohe, jah? Valmis, jah? Okay. So the second stop here is... Aku läks tühjaks, jah? Ei. Olympics. The sailing events for the Summer Olympics happen here in Tallinn, and inside this building you have a concert hall and... Nii. Ei, räägin edasi? Ei, või juhtus? Pärast teistpidi nüüd.